Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4. This is a Fitbit style smartwatch, but more in a Fitbit style where it's not like a full smartwatch where you can use like Google Maps and Facebook and reply to texts and things like that, although you can get notifications. It's more of a fitness tracker with watch and some other functions that allow you to have notifications. Anyway, so I got this in the mail the other day. Bought it through Amazon. I think it's like 36 bucks after taxes in it with Amazon Prime, so free shipping. This is the box it comes in. As you can see, it's still sealed right there. Haven't cut it open yet. Again, it's fairly cheap, about $35–36, but it's also the follow-on to the highly rated Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 3. Just on some of the online reviews and YouTube videos talking about this new band they released. It's more of a incremental upgrade, taking what was considered some of the best strengths of the Xiaomi Smart Band 3 and kind of improving upon that. So we'll see what it looks like here. Alright, so go ahead and get my utility knife. Go ahead and cut the seal here. Alright, get that out of the way. Pop this open. Oh, so the box actually, this is what it looks like. Kind of a funky metallic wavy 4 there. Some holographic kind of lettering and symbols on the side. So it's got a color touch screen. Allows you to have notification displays. Sleep and step monitoring, of course. Different modes. It's water resistant down to 5 atmospheres, and it does have a heart rate monitor on there. Alright, so let's open this up. Alright, so this is what we got within the box there. So as you can see, the band comes in this little plastic bag. Pop this open here. Very slim form factor here. Kind of skinny. Again, kind of a Fitbit style watch here. Here's the actual module itself. It's got a silicone wristband with a kind of Apple Watch style where you pop in the little pin into the different holes for sizing and securing. So on my wrist, it's pretty skinny. So it's already on. Tiny band right there. Tap that again. Let's see what I did to turn that on. Alright, pair first is what it's saying. Okay, so that's that. In this part of the box, it looks like, yep, this is going to be the charging dock or module. Okay, and this part of the box here probably going to be wow, it's a big thick booklet. Look at this. Well, not big, a tiny but thick booklet. So the Mi Smart Band 4 User's Manual. Alright, so all the different info on here. Looks like it's thick because it's in multiple languages. Alright, so it's really not that thick. It's just thick because it's in many different languages. And that's really it that comes in the box here. Alright, so this is the Mi Smart Band 4 by Xiaomi. Pretty small, slim profile. Let's see on the back side here, you got, looks like heart rate monitors, charging points there. This module actually looks like it should pop out because I know you can change out the band types here. And yeah, it looks like it's just a module in a rubber or silicone case here. Anyway, so not too much to that box there as far as opening it up. So when you order your own Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4, this is what you can expect to get in the box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to like. Thanks guys, bye.